going to add and subtract mixed numbers. We are going to find the sum of 4 2/4 plus 2 1/4. A mixed number is a whole number and a fraction put together. First, we add the whole numbers. We have 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6. Now we're going to add the fractions. We have 2/4 plus 1/4, which is equal to 3/4. My answer is a mixed number with 6 wholes and 3/4. Let's do another example. We're going to find the sum of 7 3/6 plus 1 2/6. First, I'm going to add my whole numbers. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Now I'm going to add my fractions. I have 3/6 plus 2/6. I'm only going to add my numerators. 3 plus 2 is 5, and my denominator stays the same, 5/6. The answer is 8 wholes and 5/6. Now we're going to find the difference. That means to subtract. I'm going to start by subtracting my whole numbers. In this problem, I have 6 8/9 take away 1 7/9. 6 take away 1 is equal to 5. Now I'm going to subtract the fractions. 8/9 take away 7/9 is equal to 1/9. My answer is 5 1/9. Again, we're going to find the difference. 5 8/9 take away 2 7/9. I'll start with my whole numbers. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And now my fractions. 8/9 take away 7/9 is equal to 1/9. My mixed number answer is 3 1/9. Now we're going to use this model to subtract the mixed number from the whole number. My whole number is 4, shown by 4 wholes in my model. I'm going to take away 3 1/4. So I'll take away 3 wholes and 1/4. This leaves me with 3/4 left. Here's another example subtracting the mixed number from the whole number using a model. I start with 2 wholes, and I'm going to take away 1 1/4. Take away 1 whole and 1/4. I am left with 3/4. Okay, now we're going to find the difference. We have 5 1/7 take away 3 6/7. When I take a look at the numerators in my fractions, I know that I cannot take away 6 from 1. So I'm going to have to regroup. I have 5 wholes. Each whole is equal to 7/7. I'm going to make my 5 a 4 and give the 7/7 to my fraction. I'm going to add them together. That leaves me with 4 wholes and 8 sevenths. Now I can subtract. I'll start with the whole numbers. 4 take away 3 gives me 1. And 8 sevenths take away 6 sevenths gives me 2 sevenths. Let's look at another example like that. We have 8 and 2 eighths take away 4 and 3 eighths. Again, when I look at my numerators, I know that I cannot subtract those two fractions without regrouping. My whole number 8, I have one whole, which is equal to 8 eighths. I'm going to make my 8 a 7 and give my 8 eighths to the fraction. That leaves me with 7 and 10 eighths. Now I can subtract. I'll start with the whole numbers. 7 take away 4 is equal to 3, and 10 eighths take away 3 eighths is equal to 7 eighths. And this concludes our lesson on adding and subtracting mixed numbers.